Hello. Okay, this is the actual first guitar lesson. I made another one where I described how most guitar lessons are too hard. Most beginner guitar lessons, most beginners can't follow. And then I made one that's probably too hard. So this one's going to be one that you can almost probably definitely follow. Almost probably. Yes. So here goes. Here's a guitar. This is the part that sits on your leg, right? Like that. See? And then it goes up against your body. You wedge it in place with your arm like that, the opposite side of your elbow, or you can go up onto your forearm like that. The thing you want to avoid is like this, because then your arm is like right here, and yeah, it's just weird. So other thing is this thing, the neck, it's gonna point slightly in an upward direction like that. See? Or parallel with the floor, just flat like that. You want to avoid to have it do this kind of thing, because then you have to bend your wrist a whole bunch, and then you're gonna injure it that way, and then you can't practice, and then you're gonna suck. So all right, so these are the strings: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll do that again. 1, 2. Just kidding. That's pretty obvious, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Fret wires are these metal things. In between the fret wires are the actual frets, what we call frets. Some people call these metal things frets. That's fine. I don't care. You can call them whatever you want. Call them Apache attack choppers if you want. I don't care. These are called frets, though. That's what I call them. Word. All right, so this is the first fret. This is the second fret. This is the third fret. Guess what this is? Leave it in the comments. Just kidding. Don't leave any comments on this. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and what's the other thing? I don't know, dude. I don't know. You don't have to do any of that. Why would you do that? This video. Second fret, third fret, fourth fret, fifth fret. And notice your guitar probably has dots on them on the third fret, fifth fret, seventh fret, ninth fret, and a double dot on the 12th fret. That one is special because it's the octave. So here's E, that's an E note. And if you play it on the 12th fret, it's also E. All right, so E. What else? Oh yeah, how to read tablature. So here I have my trusty tab, Abuela's famous tacos, and it goes. See, there's Abuela. See, and the way you read tab is you look at these lines here. So these are strings. So this is the first string. This is the second string. This is the third string. This is the fourth string. This is the fifth string. This is the sixth string. So this top line equals this string. We actually do call this the top string, even though you might be freaking out and being like, what the sigma that's on the bottom? Why you call it the top? Well, because it's the top note. The bottom note. Oh. See, this is lower, low, high. Even though this string is in 3-dimensional space, it's lower, it's tuned higher. So that's what we're talking about when we talk about high and low. We're not talking about like anything else. The numbers here represent the frets. So the third fret on the first string is right here. Okay, and then the second note is the first fret on the second string. So you notice you go left to right like this. Some people make the mistake, they think that you're supposed to play all the notes on the first string, and then you play all the notes on the second string, and then I don't know where they got, I speechless. But a lot of people do that, man, like a lot. But that's not how you read it. You read it from left, play this note first, then you play this note, then you play this note, then you play this note, then you play this note. This is just a lie. Like, that's not actual, that's nothing. That's just like a, I'm not sure. But, so the third fret, second string. goes like this. Alright, and then the open fret, 0 right here means open. What the heck does that mean? That means that you just play the string like this. Well, you don't play it so it makes that popping sound, you just go like that. Alright, that's open. So that's how you play it. You go 3, 1, 3, open, 3, open, 4. Is that a 4? No, it's 3. Alright, so Abuela's Tacos goes like this. 3, 1. Ooh. So that's how it goes. I mean, I played it how it was written, so it's Abuela's Tacos. Yeah, so that's the beginner's lesson. So now you know the numbers of your fingers. You know that this is up, this is down. This way is down. These are the lower frets. These are the higher frets, right? 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 12. So notice this is higher. 12 is higher than 1. So we say this is higher. This is going up. This is going down. This is going up. You learned about fret wires. Don't call these metal things frets. We'll call them whatever you want. I don't care. Honestly, I don't care. IDC. Abuela Tacos, you learn how to read tab, which is short for tablature. Yeah, dude. So go look up some tabs online. UltimateGuitar.com or whatever is a good place to start. So, I had fun.